how to find compare to price settings on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and then once you're here click this one, click settings and then click cars and checkout and scroll down until you find compare to price, and that's it. Here you can manage compare to price settings, manage anything you want, and then go back. It will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.